Hi traders, today we're going to be taking a look at the crypto bull run. How far can it go and what levels is it going to be reaching? And we're also going to be then looking at the commodities, gold, which we just closed for a nice hefty profit. Also Brent oil, is it going to hold this potential bottom and carry on further? And also finally we're going to be taking a look also at the currencies and the indexes bull run as well. How far can the Dow and the S&P carry on further up? This and more in this live trading session video. Hi traders, thank you for joining the Master the Markets team in our live trading session video and supporting us in our mission to spread the truth of trading and help you achieve consistent trading performance. It is Tune Alpan here, founder of Master the Markets, Elite Trades Conference and the Traders Open Day. Alright traders, so here we are on the 9 instruments that we take a look at weekly. We now swiftly move on to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is in a nice, swift, smooth bull run over here as you can see. Now we took two positions previously. We took one at a small loss and the other one we did take it out over here at this level at 29045, 2535 pounds profit, 1000 pound loss. Overall we are still net profit up. This is just on one strategy that we're just sharing with you here on TradingView, all based on the concept of open equity taught to us by institutional quant traders and originated from the 1960s. You can see most of our ideas and understandings here on our channel, Master the Markets 2010, which we've been going since 2010. That's why we call it Master the Markets 2010. TradingView just joined recently, and you can also see all the ideas that we have posted here as well. Get an understanding of how we are looking at all of this. And if you really want to follow it in a very systematic way, I would say go to our 5-day video course here, copy that link, register and get that 5-day video course. We'll explain to you everything, all this ideology, very powerful indeed. If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that like icon. If you haven't joined our channel yet, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications immediately when we post up quality content like this, and especially to get our live trading updates sent directly to your phone. Now over here, traders, some of you might think, Tiru, why did you come out over here at 2905? Why not let it run? Now, yes, on some of the other strategies, on strategy 2 and 3, we do let them run. Okay, we're not really talking about that over here because then that will consume a lot of time. But this is just to give an example that it all works. This concept of the smart money framework and also the open equity concept. Okay. So in terms of Bitcoin, as I mentioned over here, it's in an uptrend phase 1. Wait for top to confirm. We are looking for the orange arrow to pop up. And then after that, then we'll be taking a look at getting a weekly P1. Another way also to look at is see if on the daily we'll get tops confirmed and then take it in alignment with a weekly time frame. Okay, you can follow the ideas. We do take some of them over here, like for example silver, we did take it based on that concept. So take a look on those under the idea section under Master Markets 2010. Right, so I mean, you get all those live trading updates when you follow us. Now let's swiftly move on to Ethereum. Ethereum is the same thing, traders. So we're waiting for weekly top to confirm and then taking the trades in alignment with the weekly uptrend. Okay, so then let me just go on to gold. So Ethereum is a waiting game as well. Good news on gold. We did have an open position, right, on this, which we have transparently shown in our idea section. Those of you who've been following us will get the email notifications when we take those trades as well. And you would have seen that we have taken it much more earlier. Live trading session 246. I think from then on we've been taking the trade. You'll be able to see it over there. So this is all in foresight, not in hindsight. Okay. So we did come on this entry over here where the blue line was. We had all the trade, all the details. And 2131.95 is where we then placed the target once we got the weekly confirmation dot over here. After that, then we did take a look at the 50% number, which we took at $60 around there. and then we added that onto the entry close over here, and that's how we got our target at 2131.95. Today on a Monday, it's already did went all the way up, hit that, and rebounded off that line. Okay, right now we're not saying that, yes, it's great, look at that, you hit the profit and then came back down. No, some of you might even be holding on to this. That's totally fine. You can have a reversal after that, but it's always good to do anything as long as you have a systematic methodological process, which we always advocate here at Master the Markets. Now we have other strategies which we will be running, which will let it run as well. You see, nobody will ever know whether it will reverse back, come back up again. We don't know that. All you have to keep thinking in terms of traders is probabilities. Okay. That's why even the same thing on Bitcoin, right? So when you had this reversal here, some people might have started panicking as well, isn't it? Not traders, yeah, but then it reversed back up, continue on in its current direction, and then look at the big bull run now at 42,000 at the moment. Okay, so that's what we are having, isn't it? So the same thing here in gold, so you won't know, but in this particular strategy we have got our targets defined based on a probability level according to these open equity tables, and there you go, so you can get all the understanding of it. Now some of you I know already messaging and emailing us saying, too, how do I understand all of these things? As I said, go to this 5-day video course as I mentioned over here. And what you can then do is copy that link, right? And then you can just go over to there, copy, paste that link, go on to that page, name, email, number if you want for live trading updates, get the video course, and it will look something like this. Over here, the 5-day video course will look something like that. Okay, video 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. First half is beginner, next half is intermediate. Not only that, along with this, you will get 2 more video series as well, which will then tell you the entire thing about how the smart money framework works and how all these tables and how you construct really strong strategies, and everything we teach is based on principles. Okay, so you can apply it to any strategy you want. Swiftly moving on to cable at the moment, traders. So what we got over here, pending order we had that's cancelled for a short. I've mentioned 3 points over here on the weekly. Weekly is downtrend phase 2. Wait for second top to confirm, right? On daily, and then by then it'll be more than FIP 38.2%, and this is as of 27 November 2023. Swiftly going to take a look. Did we get? I don't think we got a second top. This was the first top that we got. Look at that. So I'm looking for a second one because on the first one, traders, we didn't have a 38.2% FIP level, right? I think I did mention this in live trading session, the previous one. So if you take a look over here, so you see, this is what I meant. When the daily confirmed it, this was less than 38.2%. Okay, so I wait for it to go past it, and that's what we're having now, the second one, and then that's where we can position ourselves. So we'll be taking a look at this very closely, and we'll keep updating you as well. So this is the same now as of 4th of December. Okay, so I'll leave that as that one is. Okay, good. So I will swiftly move on to the S&P, to the Euro at the moment. Let me quickly take a look at the Euro. So let's see now. Weekly is downtrend. Same thing again here, right? Wait for top to confirm on daily. Let me see. As that top confirmed, not yeah. We had a PSWB bar over here. We'll analyze this later. The boys might have taken a position on this already, so if they have, I will then update it onto um, the strategy that we are looking at. Okay, wait for top. Yes, that's right. Continuation with weekly downtrend. Okay, so that's what we are having over here as of 4th December 2023. So all that is good to go. So that is great. We have to double check on the two daily tops or not. How many tops do we have actually over here? This is the first one. That's the second one. I think that should be fine. I will double check before posting that onto TradingView too. For those of you who are unsure of any of the terminology or the concepts in this video, watch our free Trader Starter Pack 5-day video course as shown in Empire Cinema. It is educational, entertaining, and covers basics and advanced content with cross-transferable principles for trading and investments. It pertains to both beginners and intermediate traders, all dedicated towards helping you achieve consistent performance. Go ahead and register for it on the link below. And S&P traders. So S&P is on a nice big bull run over here. There's a trend change over here, as we can see as of now. I will just include that over here too. Just put that on an arrow marker here. Then you can see over here, this will be a trend change, right? Trend change, break of resist, break of swing high level. Okay, so that's what we got over there. Over here. So I will copy that. And there we go. Right. Cool. So we got that. So we got the break over there. So that's what we got on Dow Jones. But as of now, that's a big bull run over there. Still will take it in terms of the trend alignment. I'm just taking a look at the monthly, see if there's any resistance going to come in between. We got, actually traders, we just got to be careful of this. We got a single market compression. This is the main level what I'll be taking a look at to get confidence in this bull run over here, which is this level here at 4607. If it doesn't, it can resume back in its current top to bottom movement over here and carry on further down. And once it takes out this level, then it'll be a downtrend. But as of now on the weekly, that is still strong bull run. The only thing that is of concern to me is on the weekly, I'm just taking a look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, isn't it? The week 5, there can be a trend reversal. So I'll just be wary of all of that and then put your exit points accordingly. We always keep stressing that traders, the main thing is always in trading that puts the money in the bank is always the exits, is it not? Yeah, so that's very, very important. Okay, cool. So that's on S&P. Now Brent oil, we are on this particular trade at the moment. It's an open trade as well, so I will just mention that. Now, what is the whole premise for this trade to be open at the moment? The premise is, traders, which I'll go through with you guys in a moment, is that we got a trend change, right? So I'll go through each one of them very carefully. Let me just put open at the moment, open position here. So what we have is, we have a uptrend here, right? Phase 2, it came back down. So I'm looking to capture the turning point over here, looking that it's a potential bottom. If it holds, then it carries on upwards, then it becomes a phase 1, isn't it? Yeah, in alignment with the trend. Okay. So in terms of that, when I go on to the daily time frame, I'm getting a bit of confirmation in the sense that there's a trend change, right? It took out this level, came back up, and came back down. Okay, stop loss for here, potential bottom. We'll wait and see if that confirms or not. Okay, if it does confirm and bounce off this level, if it doesn't tick out there, and then we get a blue dot here that revalidates this low point here, and we'll see if we get a takeoff after that on oil, especially with all the wars that's happening over there. Especially in wartime, oil becomes more in demand. Okay, so we'll wait and see on those ones over there, traders. Yeah. So that's on Brent oil over there. So we got a position there, as we have mentioned over here. So we got an entry at 82.95, stop loss at 76.59, and target to be confirmed once the weekly confirms that. Okay, traders. Right, so that's on Brent oil. Then finally, I'm taking a look at Dow Jones. Dow Jones again, nice big bull run. We didn't take this trade. Came on the third position. We don't take that. Usually 2 positions on daily swings. We take that. So wait for top to confirm and then bottom to confirm on daily before taking trades in continuation or weekly. If you want to take it in that way, or we didn't have any top confirmations, it's quite overextended. Remember, market principle number 1, nothing moves in a straight line, so it has got a turn. It will get confirmed by our smart money indicator anyway. So with that in place, so over here we will take a look at the top getting confirmed and then it turning around for a phase 1 to occur. Okay, traders, I guess that's pretty much what I've got on this one here. I'm quite curious to see what it's doing on a monthly, just like the S&P. Over here, traders, we got a good bull run here. It's taken out that last high on a monthly. This is a very strong sign that more long is about to happen. I mean, in terms of the weekly, I'm just taking a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's a weekly wave 5 as well, isn't it? So we can see some slowness happening. But regardless, we follow the trend on a structured framework on probability basis. We'll be taking longs, okay? So we'll wait for opportunities to come and our setups before we take the trades in that particular directions. So that is 4th of December 2023 is what we got. All right, traders, I guess that's pretty much that from me on the roundup. As I mentioned, those of you who want to start off and understanding this methodology, please go on to our link over here on Master the Markets 2010 channel. Follow us there, get all the updates, and then go and register onto here. Get the 5-day video course, which is over here, name, email, and number. And after that, you can get the videos and you can start your way of learning. You also will get 2 more video courses which will explain all the tables and the formats and the statistical probabilities and how to use that in your strategy construction to make it a sustainable, scalable, reproducible strategy, traders. Yeah, we always teach in terms of principles so you can apply that to any strategy that you're doing. All right, all in the mission to spread the truth of trading. All right, traders, that's all from us on this live trading session video. As we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master. If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.